Next, preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alcohols. Generally, aldehydes is prepared from primary alcohol and ketones are prepared from secondary alcohols. First, from primary alcohol, how can we prepare aldehyde? As you know, the primary alcohol is that in which the carbon atom containing the functional group again attached directly to only one carbon, then that is the primary alcohol. This type of primary alcohol on oxidation in presence of acidified potassium dichromate, it forms aldehyde along with the water molecules. Again, this primary alcohol on oxidation with acidified potassium dichromate forms aldehyde along with the water molecules. For example, ethanol on oxidation with acidified potassium dichromate forms acetaldehyde along with a water molecule. But in this case, the aldehyde can be further oxidized to acids. So, to prevent further oxidation of aldehyde, we have to maintain the temperature so as to get only the aldehyde, not further oxidation to any type of carboxylic acids. For example, boiling point of this alcohol is 381 Kelvin. When this alcohol oxidized in presence of acidified potassium dichromate, it forms this aldehyde, and the boiling point of this aldehyde is 349 Kelvin. Okay, and along with water molecules, this aldehyde is formed in this reaction. So, to get only this aldehyde or not to be further oxidized to any type of acids, we have to maintain the temperature of this reaction at 349 Kelvin. As boiling point of this aldehyde is 349 Kelvin. So, in this reaction, when this aldehyde is formed, it will be easily oxidized. So, in this reaction, when this aldehyde is formed, it will be easily boil and we can collect it, and the reaction never further oxidized to acids. So, in this reaction, by maintaining the temperature 349 Kelvin, we will get only the aldehyde and not the acids. Next, by using some reagents like Collins reagent and Corres reagent, we can prevent the further oxidation of aldehyde into acids. The advantage of this Collins reagent is that it can oxidize the alcohol up to aldehyde only. It prevents the further oxidation of aldehyde into acids. One more advantage by using this Collins reagent is that it can also oxidize the alcohol containing carbon-carbon double bond. Now, the advantage of Corres reagent in the preparation of aldehyde is it oxidizes the alcohol up to aldehyde only. It also prevents the further oxidation of aldehyde into acids, but it is not able to oxidize the alcohol containing double bond. Next, the preparation of ketone from alcohols. First, the general method of preparation. Secondary alcohol. As you know, secondary alcohol is the alcohol in which carbon containing the alcoholic group again attached directly to other carbon atom, then it is called the secondary alcohol. When this secondary alcohol undergo oxidation in presence of acidified potassium dichromate, it forms ketone along with the water molecule. For example, when this secondary alcohol on oxidation in presence of acidified potassium dichromate, it forms acetone, which is a ketone, along with a water molecule. Next method of preparation is dehydrogenation of alcohol. First, preparation of aldehyde. When the vapor of primary alcohol is passed through copper at a temperature of 300 degrees centigrade, it forms aldehyde along with a hydrogen molecule. For example, when this ethanol, which is a primary alcohol, the vapor of this primary alcohol or ethanol, when passed through copper at a temperature of 300 degrees centigrade, it forms acetaldehyde along with a hydrogen molecule. Next, preparation of ketones by dehydrogenation process. Next, preparation of ketones by the dehydrogenation of secondary alcohols. As secondary alcohols, as you know, the carbon containing the alcoholic group again attached directly to two other carbon atoms, then it is called the secondary alcohols. When the vapor of this secondary alcohol is passed through copper at a temperature of 300 degrees centigrade, it forms ketone along with a hydrogen molecule. For example, when the vapor of this secondary alcohol is passed through copper at a temperature of 300 degrees centigrade, it forms the acetone along with a hydrogen molecule. This is all about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from primary alcohol and secondary alcohol respectively.